2015 Kia Soul base model 1.6 liter. The mileage is 104,809. The issue I'm having is when I turn these on. Can you hear it? Now if I go like that, if I twist it like that, that's like that, but if I go 3, you can barely hear it. It's just a very, very low. But again, even recirculate doesn't do any, it doesn't clear it up. I put it on max. It sounds like it's coming from here or over here, but when I listen to here, I don't really hear that. When I listen to that side, I don't really hear it. It's when you look up in here. And then when you listen out here, so that's the engine. But when we come in here and we turn the fan on, like right now it's on 0, you're not going to hear anything. But when you put it on 1, you don't really hear it. And then when we put it on 2, you don't hear it. When you put it on 3, you can kind of hear it. When you put it on 4, you can hear it. Now, I should let you know that I did replace the cabin air filter right down in there. And the little door, that little plastic door with the little clips on the bottom, broke off. So I have to get a new one. But I ordered a new one. It should be here on the 11th, July 11th, 2026. So anyone out there who has a Kia Soul and has the same issue, can let me know what that is. I would really appreciate it.